Hagasngi balang katanat pulit jungka West Gentle Hills District Executive Force kala penlong ke jing lek buram mi kasngi Police Commemoration Day ne ka jingkan mau buram mi ki pulit ki beladu ila ka jing im katba kidang don hapdeng kakam. Ya ka ne ka jing alang la penlong ha Jowai Police Reserve Administration Building Jowai. Haba ai jing keren ha ka jing alang ka balengkot ha ka ne kasngi USP ka West Gentle Hills District ubikram marak ulapan kan mau baya ka ne kasngi la jurak he ka manla usnam kum kadak man kan mau buram ya ki para pulit ki badon shishay ka mensim banlen nilade nakam ta kam bala ban syat haki kadadu bakila kloi wat ban IT yala ka jong ka jing im ha ka ne kasngi ladan ru ka jing bu sentiu bala shimbenta da USP ka district kan thup yu B Chetri MPS Additional Superintendent of Police ka West Gentle Hills kong CW Lengdo MPS Deputy Superintendent of Police Crime West Gentle Hills ba MJ Marngar Deputy Superintendent of Police Traffic West Gentle Hills Jowai harangkat ka jingdon lang ki officer pulit bat ki weide ya kene kasngikan mau buram ya ki pulit laleru hakalengkari.
We started commemorating the great souls who laid down their lives, 10 policemen who laid down their lives with this Chinese aggression. I'll give you a brief of all the states in alphabetical manner before I read out the names. In Andhra Pradesh, 11 police personnel had laid their lives. Arunachal Pradesh, 3. Assam, 7. Bihar, 6. Chhattisgarh, 32. Himachal Pradesh, 4. Jharkhand, 4. Karnataka, 16. Kerala, 2. Madhya Pradesh, 15. Manipur, 3. Meghalaya, 1. Odisha, 4. Punjab, 2. Rajasthan, 2. Tamil Nadu, 1. Uttar Pradesh, 4. Uttarakhand, 3. West Bengal, 17. Andaman and Nicobar Island, 2. Chandigarh, 2. Delhi, 6, Jammu and Kashmir 17, Ladakh 1, and from the Central Forces, Assam Rifles 3, BSF 47, CISF 8, CRPF 82, ITBP 54, NSG 1, SSB 5, FS, and HG, this is Civil Defense and Home Guards 3, NDRF 1, RPF 8. So I'll go with the details as per the names now.